Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw, 99.9% of women will run away from you if you do this. You want to get a girlfriend for yourself, but it seems like women are running away from you. You might not really know the reason why. Why is it that it's very difficult for me to catch a girl? Why is it that I can't get any girl hooked to me? Why is it that even all the money I have, I still cannot have a genuine girlfriend? When it looks like something will work out with this person and the next minute she goes up on me. So I'm going to tell you the 5 things that might be making women to run away from you. Number 1 thing is that having too many partners can actually make women to run away from you. You might have all the money in this world. Then you might see some decent girls that are just looking for a guy that will love them for whom they are. He can take care of them, that will appreciate them for whom they are. And then when they are coming into your life, they've seen that maybe you have the money, maybe you're a potential husband. It feels like they will take you serious. By the time they stay around you, 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, 2, 3 months, they ghost up on you. Some of them might not actually tell you what the problem is. One thing is that you can't change a person. It's awkward for a woman to be telling you, because you both are now dating, they feel like they can control your life and tell you what you should do. They can't change whom you are. It is you that can only change yourself. So she might not be bold enough to tell you you're a womanizer. Of course, if you're having too many partners, you're a womanizer. So if the girl ever finds out that she is not the only one, that there are other people around, number 1 thing is that she might not be the person that wants to compete with other women. Their health might be at stake. Yes, because when you have too many partners, you're putting your health at risk. They want someone that is serious. Whenever a woman is in a relationship with a guy and the woman loves that guy, they are always reasoning in their head that this is my last bus stop. So if you've been dealing with different partners and women are running from you, just know that this could be a reason. In fact, this is a reason why some women can't stay, because you're obviously not a serious person. Even if you're using protection, that is not a guarantee that you should have different partners. The number 2 reason could be that if you are the type of person that beats and disrespects women. Women want to be respected. Even God said it in the Bible. A man should love the wife, and then the wife should submit to you. If you're beating up your woman, then you don't love her. You're not supposed to raise your hand on your woman. When a woman is now in your life, part of your life, some of them, if you make an attempt to even raise hand, but you did not do it, they are afraid, because they know that for you to make an attempt, one day you're going to do it. And not just beating them, but disrespect. Maybe you always make her feel less of herself. You shouldn't be using women as a punching bag. If you want to fight, you fight with your fellow men, okay? The strength of a man and a woman is not the same. So guy, if you're the type of a man that beats a woman up, please, this is the time to stop, okay? The 3rd reason could be that you are the kind of a guy that does not keep clean. This is something that you might not even know that is chasing women away from you. You might not even know that you're not a clean guy. Do you know that sometimes just the appearance alone, your hair is unkempt, you look untidy, you might have all the money, but she might not actually listen to you. Sometimes you might meet them because you have a flashy car, they might enter your car, but once they start coming around you, you have this odor. How do you expect me to kiss that lips if you have mouth odor? Of course, I can't try it. I'm going to run. Okay, that is the reason why girls are running away from you. To keep clean doesn't cost much. No matter how broke you are, that is one of the cheapest things to attain. And keeping clean is not all just about you having body odor. It could be how you keep your environment, the clothes you wear, how smart do you look in them. It's not about wearing a dirty clothes, but looking tidy, your general body, your hair, how is it kept? Do you even wash your hair? Especially if you are the type of a guy that have long hair or that keep hairs, you should make sure that your private body part is clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. It will benefit you as well. The fourth point could be, if you're a guy that insults, harass, or embarrass women. In fact, why would you do that in the first place? And sometimes what brings about this is pride. Maybe because the woman doesn't really have much. You're the one literally providing for the family, the financial support in the family in general. And then you feel like the woman doesn't bring anything to the table and you tend to insult her. It feels like you're doing her a favor getting married to her, or you're doing her a favor dating her, or you're doing her a favor bringing her out of poverty, and then she is eating your money for free. Sometimes you harass women, sometimes you woo a girl and she does not accept, and then you end up embarrassing or harassing her. When girls maybe around your vicinity, or people now know you that this is your kind of person, no woman would want to associate with you. So this could be a reason why women run away from you. If you're the type of person that insults, harass, or embarrass women, it doesn't all have to be money. I know that someone will leave a comment and tell me, forget all these things, once you have money it doesn't matter. My guy, it matters. Me personally, I might not care about your money. If you keep dirty, I might try to help you to keep clean. One thing I know is that I can't change you. You change when you've talked to yourself, when you feel you want to change. But I'll tell you, oh, this is not good, or you should do it like this in a nice way. And then you're not changing. No matter your money, I dey carry my bag waka. I know day. And I can't stay there, you insult me. No matter your money, if you raise your hand on me, I will go. So it's not all about having all the money in this world and then you can keep a woman. Sometimes it's not just money, but we misunderstand. We feel, oh, it's money. Once you have money, there's nothing you're looking for again. It's not all about money. Number 5, hide your source of income. For some guys that do not want to expose how they earn their money from their women, the woman might not want to enter into trouble. Sometimes they are afraid. You know what is happening in our society today? They don't know if you're a ritualist. If you're doing something dirty, I think it's okay to open up to your woman. If she wants to stay, fine, it's up to her. If she doesn't want to stay, then it's fine. But you're not supposed to be hiding your source of income to your woman, especially someone you're married to. If you're someone that hides your source of income, women might run away from you. These are my 5 top points, and if you have other reasons you think that I didn't mention that could make a woman to run away from a guy, please leave it down there below in the comment section. I'm still your favorite girl, Gracious Chioma. If you've not yet subscribed, in this channel I give my relationship dating tips, dating advice, especially to men. So if it's something you're interested in, do not forget to click on the red subscribe button, turn on notification, like this video, share it, leave a comment down there below in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video.